40 minutes outside Columbus, Ohio, there's a small network of Honda and Acura plants, but one of them is unique. It's not the sort of sprawling development center that comes into your mind when you picture a car factory. It's the Performance Manufacturing Center, where Acura builds the NSX. But the NSX's time is almost up. What comes next for the PMC? The PMC is very unique among car factories. Much of the construction of these cars is actually done entirely by hand. Every NSX that leaves that factory is built by technicians rather than technology. The PMC only hires factory workers from other Honda plants in Ohio, meaning people have to prove themselves on the volume models before they even get a shot at the NSX. The facility also builds the PMC editions of other Acura models like the MDX and the TLX, and it constructs the HPD Civic Si race cars. See, Acura needs something small in production to come out of this factory. It can't really build more than about 2,000 cars a year at full tilt. But being the Performance Manufacturing Center, it needs to be something a little spicy. My theory is the Integra Type S. The existence of this car has yet to be confirmed by any Acura representative. And no, we don't know where or if it's going to be built. But there are a couple factors that make me think the PMC is going to be the perfect spot for it. Every Acura for the US market is manufactured in the US, but if the Integra Type S is built next to the Civic Type R, that production would move all the way over to Japan, where the tooling for the Integra likely doesn't exist. It's much more likely that the Type R bits would make their way over to the Performance Manufacturing Center, rather than sending all of the body tooling for the Integra out to Japan. If Acura needs a low-volume performance car to be a halo for its lineup, the Integra Type S is the logical successor to the PMC manufacturing throne. And for more on this and everything else automotive, check out jalopnik.com.